G'day folks, Jaden Drought here with the Farm Trader. Beautiful sunny day here at Fieldays 2026. I've got Andre beside me from NC Equipment to talk through the glorious range of the English-built K2 spreaders. G'day mate, how are you?
Hey Jaden.
Yeah, very good. Hey, so obviously we've got two models here. Maybe just kind of talk me through, let's start with the 155 first, the big dog. You know, I guess, you know, what farmers, contractors, you know, it's obviously got a variety of applications from chook manure, obviously clearly, you know, manure. So what are some of the features of the 155 itself?
Yeah, no, that's right, Jaden. So we've got two models here. This is a 155, and as just mentioned. So that's got a capacity there of 15 cube at a level.
So water level, yep.
Yep, so, and as a heat capacity, it's just on 19,000 kgs.
Okay.
And these run the bigger wheels. These are the 520 85 R13 38s. What sets these apart from other muck spreaders is the versatility of them.
Yep.
So we've got the rotors here.
Yep.
That's a hard steel.
Yep.
And with 16 millimeter bolts here, which hold on your knives, your beater knives.
Yep.
Your marine floor chains there, you got 4 chains versus 2, and we've got the slats there. So it's very versatile for chook manure.
Yeah. We've got the marine chains. What size chain is that?
That's a 16 mil.
Yeah, cool.
With the sprockets, a 6 tooth.
Yep.
So longer durability on that there. Gives a good lifespan on those.
And then also, I noticed that the slats are bolt-on too, right? So if you bend one, it's much easier than having the old weld-on.
Correct.
operation.
You can easily replace those.
And what about the spinners themselves?
The spinners, the actual spinners. So the gearbox is rated. It's a 540.
Tractor
gearbox, and the gearbox spin there is 386 RPM.
Okay.
Yep. So you got your Hardox, as I say, the steel on these spinners here, and these are all obviously offset for each application, so it breaks down the heavy material, and then this spins out, and it can spin out quite a distance at a very level, feathered out spread. Yeah,
like you say, it kind of breaks it down as it's coming through.
Correct.
And obviously also gives that wide spread pattern.
That's right, and that's controlled by the slurry door there.
Yeah.
So that's hydraulic, and as you're decreasing your load, it just lifts up and allows more to come through. Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, so obviously the high lift door, so if you want to spread a lot of material at once, or then you can just open that a little bit if you've got that more liquid slurry.
That's right, yes.
So okay. Yeah, cool. And so what about the 155 then, if we look at those spinners specifically, are they bigger? Do they run at a higher RPM? What does that all kind of look like?
It's very similar. So the actual running gear is the same. It's the capacity with the wheels being bigger, and the gearbox is very similar.
Okay.
We do bigger models with heavier running gear in them, which is also can take heavier materials, and that's more used for the contractors where they're doing cleanings, a bit heavier slurry applications, and so the running gears versus like 2 gearboxes. You also get another model which is called the Bio, and that can do your heavier fertilizers, such as your super, and urea and lime and all that sort of thing. So
so if we just drill down on that a little bit, so how are they, you know, is the machine configuration different to a normal, you know, for spreading your chook manure or your slurry, for example?
There is different configurations for different types of manure products. Yes, correct.
Okay.
This is very standard for a typical dairy farm. So that would do your herd homes, your weeping walls, and anything like that. Versus a contract doing a bit more of the chook manure, where it's a bit heavier and dense, and your fertilizers such as lime, as we've talked about.
Cool. No, fantastic. Hey, thanks very much, Andre. Really appreciate it. We've got the single wheels, making them nice and easy to tow. The wide profile means that they can be fantastic in wet and maybe slightly unfavorable conditions. We've then got the wide spinning pattern from the rear spinners themselves. We've got the high lift door. For all of the information, head to NC Equipment or farmtrader.co.nz for thousands of news and reviews.